In this video, I'll show you how you can back up Windows 11 files to a USB flash drive. So what you need to do is first plug in your flash drive into the computer. Now once you've done that, it may open the flash drive, but you can exit out of this because we need to go to the search bar when you need to type in Control Panel. Type that in and click Enter. And then you need to go View By and change it from small icons to large icons. Here you should see Backup and Restore. Go ahead and click on that. Then you'll see Windows Backup has not been set up. If you've never set this up before, click Set Up Backup. Now we can choose our backup destination. You should see your USB drive here, so you can go ahead and click on that. Then click Next, and what do you want to back up? You can either let Windows choose, or you can let yourself choose by clicking Let Me Choose, which I recommend, and then click Next. I'm then going to open up my local disk, and then we can go ahead and choose the files. Alternatively, we can go into my libraries, and let's just say I wanted to back up my documents, and let's say the camera roll as well. I'm going to uncheck everything else. You can choose obviously what you need to back up, then click Next, then click Save Settings and Run Backup. The backup will be in progress, and you can just wait until this is finished. Once that backup has done, it will say it has completed. You can close out of this. And now if you go into your USB drive by going to File Explorer, this PC, and then clicking your drive, you should be able to see your backup here and the size of it. You can restore it at any point by double clicking and then clicking Restore My Files from this backup.